Hello, everyone. My name is Ren, R-E-N, Ren. I'm from China. So from today, I'm going to teach you Chinese. Okay, let's go to the topic. I don't like bullshit, to talk bullshit. So the first step we learn Chinese is to learn Chinese pinyin. You know, Chinese is not like Spanish or English. So when you see a new Chinese character, you don't know its pronunciation. So that's why we need pinyin. The pinyin is combined by three parts. The first part is initials. Then it is the finals. Then the last part is the five tones. The Chinese character has 5 tones. I mean, each one has only 1 tone, but in pinyin, it has 5 tones. So for example, like ma, this Chinese character ma, it means mother. Its pinyin is from the first part is the initials mo. Today we are going to learn it mo. The a is one of the finals. The a, this is the tone, the first tone. So it's ma, mo, a, ma. The first tone. Ma, mo, a, ma. First tone. Alright, okay. So let's start to learn the initials first. We have 23 initials in Chinese pinyin. So the first one is bo. Bo. Its pronunciation is bo. You can memorize like this. Bo, bo. This is not all. This one is one of the finals. Its pronunciation is like wo. It's like the British English. In British English, they have like so what, yes, what. So its pronunciation is bo. So similar. This one is easy. Just po. Okay, like papa, po. This one is like mother, mama. Its pronunciation is mo. Like mother, mo. This one is like a, fo. Okay. This one is de. You can memorize like this one. Like, okay, this is not e. This is one of the finals. Its pronunciation is like like English arrest you, like So it's the this letter's pronunciation is de. Then is next. This one is te. Oops. Like Tesla. This one is ne. Okay. So oops. This is L. It's not L, but in Chinese, its pronunciation is le. Like la, le. Okay. Then the following 6. This one is ge. Its pronunciation is ge, like good, like good, This one, ke. It's easy for the English speaker. Is ke. This one, easy. He, like ha. Okay. So this one is also easy, like the brand of car, like Jeep. G, 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 G. It's like G, G. Its pronunciation is G. This letter is also one of the finals. Its pronunciation is E, E, like leave, like leave. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving. It's E, 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 E. Leave, E, E, E. G, 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 G. Okay. So the following two, I cannot find the similar pronunciation in the English. It also doesn't have a similar pronunciation in Spanish. So listen carefully. This one is qi, 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 qi. You know Chinese number 7, 7, 8, 9, 7. In Chinese is pinyin, is qi. Its pronunciation is qi. This is 7 in Chinese. Its pronunciation is qi, the first tone. Qi, 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 qi. This one, its pronunciation is xi, xi, xi. For example, like 下, it means down in Chinese character. Its pinyin is xi yi a, 下, 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 qi, 下. Okay. Listen carefully. These three are different. These sound similar, very similar. So this one is qi, easy. Just remember the jeep, G, G. These two is qi, xi, qi, xi, qi, xi. When you pronounce it, your tone is going up. When you pronounce this, is xi is going down. Xi. But you put your mouth wider, like qi, xi, qi, xia. Okay. So let's learn the following one. Oops, my name. Okay. This one is G, like English, George. George, G. This one is like like chat, like English. Let's chat online. Let's chat on Facebook. This chat. Okay, so this one is she. It's easy. Like shut up. Shut. Okay, this one is also easy. Sorry, I say too much easy. Of course it's easy for me, not easy for you. My bad. Okay, this one, J. It's like rose, 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 rose. Okay, this one is Z. It's like the English word kids. It's the same pronunciation. Z. Okay. The following one is c, like it's. This one is like English as. So try to memorize its difference. It's these three sounds very similar, but they are different, totally different. This is z, kids, z, z. This one is c, like it's. This one like s. Okay. So the last two, this one is e. It's similar like this. It's same pronunciation, not similar. E like leave. E like leave. Like e. This one is wu. You know, coronavirus, it outbreak in Wuhan first. So Wuhan is wu. Wu is pronunciation. Okay, this is the class 1, the 23 initials. So next class we are going to learn the 24 finals. So it's not difficult. Just subscribe my channel, then follow my steps. We learn Chinese step by step, and each of my video is not long. It's not like half hour or 1 hour. I try to like make the video short, but it has all you want to learn, so it will not bored to learn. Okay, see you next class. Bye bye.